Hello student, today we will start with English writing chapter 6, speech writing. So, speech. We all are familiar with the word speech. On Independence Day, Republic Day, or any other traditional day, we give speech. On Teachers Day, we give speech. So, let's see what is the definition of a speech. A speech is a means of expressing one's idea on a certain topic orally or verbally. A good speech always inspires the audience. So, a speech is what? Is a means of expressing one's idea on a certain topic orally or verbally. So, speech can be given orally also and in writing also. And what we do in the speech, we express our idea on the certain topic. Say, if the topic is given Teachers' Day, so why we celebrate Teachers' Day? What is the importance of that day? How we celebrate? Then what is Independent Day? Why that day is so important for us? What happened on that day? What history is created? All these things we tell in the speech. Same way Republic Day. Same way Diwali. Why we celebrate Diwali? So etc. So in a speech, the speech is a means of expressing one's idea on a certain topic orally or verbally. A good speech always inspires the audience. When a speech is given, very good speech is given, people really like it. The audience, those who are listening the speech, they really get inspired from our speech. Care should be taken to see that speeches are lively and audience interactive. So, what care means special care should be taken so that the speeches, we give the speech lively when we give in front of the audience, so it should be more attractive and informative. A written speech should be spoken with proper pronunciation and diction. If we give speech in writing, written speech, so that speech should be with proper pronunciation and diction. The speech should carry proper and power punch lines to make it an outstanding one. So the speech should carry proper and power punch line. The good line should be added in a speech so that our speech will be the most special one. It will be an outstanding one. Now let's see examples. Model example 1. Write a speech in about 5 to 8 sentences that a good-natured peacock would make to a crane. So, my dear fellow brother, how delighted I am to meet you. You look so pretty, especially your long neck, height, to your personality. So, here it is describing how the fellow bird looks. You look so pretty, especially long neck adds height to your personality. I admire you for your remarkable ability to fly so high, and yet you are so humble as any other creature on the ground. You are also fortunate to see the world from above, and you have the privilege to go wherever and whenever you want. There is to nobody to stop you or interfere with you. My dear crane, may you always soar to height of further glory and success in your life ahead. So this speech is given in 5 to 8 lines that a good natured peacock would make to a crane. So thank you for a patient listening. So a good natured peacock would make to a crane. If a peacock is made a crane, so what type of speech you should give? So here it is described. Example 2. Present a speech about yourself as if you were one of the seven sisters. Good day, friends. I am better known as Ahom, the gateway to the seven sisters. You have guessed who I am. Yes, truly I am Assam, lying between the valleys of the Brahmaputra and Barak river in northeast India. My rivers keep the land lush and fertile, while the picturesque landscape with the sea, with the tea estate, are world famous. My people celebrate a festival called Bihu, and the women wear fairy tales on their silk loom. Cane and bamboo are inseparable part of my life. I am also known as the land of fairs and festival, and my scenic forest and park are a sight to behold. Come and visit me and enjoy the hospitality and cuisine of my land. Thank you for lending me your attention. So, in this page, in this page, the beauty of Assam is described. Where is Assam? It is lying between the valleys of Brahmaputra and Barak river in northeast India. And here, what is famous? Their festival is called Bihu, and they have good land and fertile. Then what? The women's wear, that is described here. That is described here. Then forests are there, parks are there. Then Assam is famous for tea estate. Next example. And lastly, when we give speech, lastly we have to say thank you. So thank you for lending me your attention. Next is example 3. Write a speech that you would make on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Now, a speech given on Teachers' Day. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear classmate. I am fortunate this morning to express myself to our dear teacher. At the very outset, I wish to thank you, teacher, for all the wonderful things you have exposed us to, from teaching to grooming ourselves like a mother does. You have done that extra mile to give us your very best, and for that we shall remain ever grateful. Teacher, you are the sunshine of our life, for you bring in rays of hopes even through the darkest night. We admire you for your knowledge and method of teaching. May God grant you success in all that you do, and may He reward you with true joy and eternal bliss. Bliss is what? Blessing. Thank you everyone for your attention. So, on Teachers' Day, students are very much thankful to their teachers because teacher is the main guru. At home, your parents are your guru, but when you come to school, so teacher is the guru which try to shape the student. They provide you good knowledge, they teach you good things, they increase your ability, your skill. So that is why on Teachers' Day, how the speech will be given by the student is mentioned in this what exam model example. How the mother does, like a mother, teacher also have gone that extra mile to give them their best, and for that they shall remain ever grateful. Teacher, you are the sunshine of our life. For you bring in rays of hopes even through the darkest night. So, in this way, on Teachers' Day, if you are told to give the speech, you can take the help of this example and prepare for it. So, this whole lesson you have to, along with the definition and model example, you have to write in your notebook. Now the exercise, write the following speeches. A short speech on behalf of the family to wish your uncle on the occasion of his 50th birthday, means Golden Jubilee birthday. Then a welcome speech for a new teacher who has just joined your school. A speech to advise your fellow mates about saving our planet Earth. So this is your homework. Write down in your notebook and do submit your homework on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.